Good morning, Junior 1. Good morning, my dear students. Today we will talk about fractions. What is the meaning of fraction? Fraction is taking a part of something. Taking a part of something. Pizza. All of you like pizza. When I am hungry, I will eat all of the pizza. This means that I ate the whole one. Okay? If my friend with me, we will divide the pizza into 2 equal parts. Everyone will eat half of the pizza. This means everyone will take 1 from total 2. This fraction is 1/2. 1/2, 1/2. Here, there are 3 friends. They want to eat the pizza. So they will divide the pizza into 3 equal parts. Everyone will eat 1/3 of the pizza. This means everyone will take 1 from total 3. This fraction is 1/3. 1/3, 1/3. Here, there are 4 friends. They want to eat the pizza, so they will divide the pizza into 4 equal parts. Everyone will eat 1/4 of the pizza. This means everyone will take 1 from total 4. This fraction is 1/4 or 1/4. 1/4, 1/4 or 1/4. Okay, note. Here, the whole pizza means 1 whole. And here it was divided into 2 parts. Each part is equal to 1/2. 1/2. Here it was divided into 3 equal parts. Each part is equal to 1/3. 1/3. Here it was divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is equal to 1/4 or 1/4. Here it can be seen that 1 whole is bigger than half, and half is bigger than 1/3, bigger than 1/4. Okay, 1 is bigger than half, half bigger than 1/3, 1/3 bigger than 1/4, and 1 is bigger than 1/3. 1 is bigger than 1/4. Okay? Fraction. When we write the fraction, we have to make a line. Then we write the top number, which means how many parts, and second we write bottom number. Top number means how many parts we are talking about, or how many parts are taking and coloring. Okay, the top number is called numerator. Then we write the bottom number. The bottom number, which means the total number of part. Total number of part, which is called denominator. When we draw the fraction, we can color the parts according to the top number. From the bottom number, which is the total. Bottom number is the total. and top number, meaning the parts we will drawing according the top number. Okay, color the top number and the total number is the bottom number. 1/2. 1/2, the fraction 1/2, we can write it as 1/2, and we can read it as 1/2. Here we have a different shapes, which means 1/2, like this. Okay? The fraction 1/3 or 1/3, 1/3, we can write it as 1/3, and we can read it as 1/3. Here we have a different shapes, which means 1/3, like this. 1/4 or 1/4. This fraction 4th, we can write it as 1/4. We can read it as 1/4 or 1/4, and here we have a different shapes, which means 1/4, like this. Different forms of half. Here we can note that the pizza is divided into 4 equal parts. So the total parts are 4 parts. The total parts are 4 parts. And we will eat 2 parts. So we have to take 2 from 4 parts. We take 2. We have to take 2 from 4. So the fraction here is 2/4. Read it as 2/4 or 2/4. 2/4 or 2/4. But here we can note that the pizza is divided into 2 equal parts. So the total parts are 2 parts. And we will eat 1 part. So we have to take 1 from 2 parts. So the fraction here is 1/2. Read it as 1/2. Okay? We know that 2/4 or 2/4 is equals to 1/2. So we can write any fraction in different forms. Color the following fraction. Here we have to color half fraction. To color half, this means that we will take 1 from 2. This means that we will color 1 part from total 2 parts. So let's count 2 parts and color 1 part. Like this. 1, color 1, total 2. Let's count 1, 2, color 1. Okay. Here we have quarter fraction. To color quarter fraction 1/4, this means that we will take 1 from 4. This means that we will color 1 part from total 4 parts. So let's count. Color 1, total 4. So let's count 4 parts and color 1 part. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Color 1. Okay, like this. Okay, take another example. Here we have half fraction. To color half fraction, this means that we will take one part from 2. This means that we will color one part from total 2. Color 1, total 2. Let's count. 1, 2, and color 1. Okay. Third, 1/3. Here fraction is 1/3. So count 3 and color 1. Color 1, total 3. Count 1, 2, 3. And color 1 like this. Okay. Another question. Color the following fraction. Color third. 1/3. Here we have to color 1/3 fraction. To color 1/3 fraction, this means we will take one part from total 3 parts. Color 1, total 3. But here the total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. Here we have 6 parts. So let's count 3 parts, then stop and color 1. Like this. Count 1, 2, 3, stop and color 1. Complete. Count 1, 2, 3, stop and color 1. Okay. Here we have finished and color third fraction. Okay. Color half fraction. To color half fraction, 1/2 fraction, this means that we will take 1 from 2 or color 1 part from total 2 parts. But here the total parts are 4 parts. So let's count 2 parts and stop to color 1. Color 1, total 2. So count 2 parts, stop, color 1. Like this. Count 1, 2, stop, color 1. Complete. Then complete. Count 1, 2, stop, color 1. Okay. We can note that we can write this fraction as 2/4 or 2/4, which equals to half. Circle the figure which has a quarter shaded part. In the first shape here, to write the fraction, count the total parts are 3. The total parts in the first shape, 3 parts. The fraction is 1/3. 1 means the colored part, 3 means the total parts. Okay. The second shape, 1/4 fraction here, 1/4. 1 is the colored part, 4 is the total parts. So the fraction is 1/4. The third shape, square. Here the total parts are 4 parts. Write it in the bottom number, number 4 in the bottom number. And the colored parts are 2 parts. Write it in the top number. So the fraction in the third shape is 2/4. that equal 1/2. Okay, which equals 1/2. So the fraction 2/4 equal 1/2 in the third shape. Okay, the fourth shape, triangle, the fraction is half, 1/2, color 1, the total 2. Okay, and the last shape, we have 4 parts and color 1 part. So the fraction will be 1/4 or 1/4. Okay. Which of these shapes is 1/4 fraction? Yes, this shape and this shape is 1/4 fraction. Okay. Write the following fraction in words. Here we have to write the fraction in words. This means that to write the fraction in letters as we read it. The first fraction, 1/3. We can read it as 1/3. The second fraction, 1/4. We can read it as 1/4 or 1/4. The third fraction is 1/2. We can read it as 1/2. Okay. At the end, we must know that we cannot write fraction from unequal parts. So, in the following shapes, which of the following represent have fraction? In the first shape is cutting by this line, but here this line doesn't divide the shape into 2 equal parts because part 1 not equal to part 2. So I cannot write half because part 1 not equal part 2 unequal parts. So I cannot write half. Half, not correct. Okay? But in the second shape is cutting by this line. This line is divided the shape into 2 equal parts because part 1 is equals to part 2. So we can say that each part is equal 1/2. Part 1 equals to part 2 equal parts. So each part is equal 1/2. Okay. Thank you, Junior 1.